Hello, hello.
Hello.
Back in the garage
Oh, yes.
for the umpteenth time.
Oh, indeed.
Yeah. And it's been a slow but steady progress the last couple of weeks.
Yeah, it has. Well, it is almost 2 weeks since the last time we had an update like this.
With the recording and everything.
Yeah.
In the meantime, things have been happening.
Yeah.
First of all, the Camry is finished on the inside. The seat and the harness is mounted.
Yep.
The radio bracket is radio bracketing.
Yep.
And we have a 12-volt charger for the speedometer. And the DEFA is connected.
Yep. And the trunk latch, or the latch to open the fuel cap.
That's correct.
Yep.
It's mounted.
Get there eventually.
Yeah. Other than that, we have this weird thingy on the spoiler.
Yeah. Yeah, how about that? Well, we had a minor exhaust leak.
Yeah.
And we kind of figured out where it comes from.
Yeah. There's a hole where it's not supposed to be a hole.
Yeah.
In the exhaust.
Yep.
And this comes from the back bank of the engine.
Yeah. The one facing the firewall. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it is, of course, the one that's easiest to get to.
Yeah. It always is.
Yep.
Yeah. But it's not the biggest problem to fix it. We just need someone to weld it.
Yeah. Thankfully, it's also on a very straight part on the pipe. So if we don't get somebody to weld it, we might be able to fix something else to cover it.
Yeah. But welding is the best option.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. It's the most durable option.
Yeah. Other than that, the latches is on.
Yeah.
The wheels are on. And the car is looking great.
Yeah, it is.
So I would say it's almost ready.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's only the exhaust that's left right now.
The battery is mounted. So yeah, the battery is mounted.
Yep. Oh, and the air filter is mounted.
Yeah, I actually shown that already in another short video segment.
Yep. Nice.
And other than that, it's not much to talk about on this car.
No, I think this one is it is ready to race.
Yeah. And the other one?
Yeah, no, we've gotten rid of that one.
Yeah, they've wrecked it. It
was just in the way and everything. So yeah.
No, it's actually outside. The other car is ready.
Yep.
Yeah.
It is.
We only are missing the flag on the roof.
Yeah, the decor.
And some names and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which also missed for this one. But until the printing machine start working, we don't know when we get them.
No. So in worst case, we just have to paint it ourselves.
Yeah. And with the great painting skills we have, I think we will manage.
Yeah. How hard can it be?
Yeah. So, yeah. I guess that's the quick update for today.
Yeah.
No news?
No, not really, no. Well, one thing we need to buy for the Ford is some new wiper blades.
Yeah. But that's the lowest cost for that car so far.
Yep. Yeah, it is. We fixed the everything on that with with the alternator belt and the pulley that was bad and everything.
Yeah. So the car is up and running.
Yep.
Okay.
We're getting ready for racing.
Yeah. Mantorp is coming soon.
Oh.
It's under 3 weeks now.
Yeah, it is. Actually.
How the time flies.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Then I'll guess we will say see you guys later.
Yep. Bye-bye.
And action! Hello and welcome to the garage and another day working on the Camry, where I'm supposed to switch the camera around. There you go! Camera is switched around. We have the Camry and we have Roy. Woo! Hi Roy!
Hi. Hello.
Johnny Bravo. Hoo-ha! Hoo-ha! So, today might be one of the final days on this Camry.
At least mechanically, yeah.
Yeah, because today we are mounting the exhaust again.
Ooh, yeah.
It has been welded
Mm-hmm.
and it looks great. Well, it looks better
Yeah.
because now it's not leaking.
No, it's not a big hole there anymore.
No, at least we don't think it's leaking.
No, but only time will tell.
Yeah. So now the job will contain of getting this under the car and mounted to the manifold and also to the catalytic converter.
Yep.
Do we believe everything will go as planned?
Yeah. I see absolutely no reason why not.
I have put on some gasket sealed
Yeah.
and quite a lot of it because
Yeah.
I don't want it to leak.
No.
So yeah.
It is a bit of a hassle to get up there to put in a new gasket. Anyway.
Yeah.
So,
Better to do it before.
Yep.
Yeah. So when it's on the car, there's nothing much more to do.
No. Then it's just the core, really.
Yeah, delivery.
Yeah.
Which might happen.
Yeah. It sounds more promising now than it did last week.
Yeah. Last news: the core is being made. The problem is the printing machine for not one color but for many colors, like a print.
Yeah,
it's not working.
Yep.
So as long as we are using single colors, it should be made in time.
Yep.
It might be the final few days, but yeah.
Yeah. Well, the last week, most of the last week, I have time to beer anyway.
Yeah. It's only not this weekend, but next weekend I'm away.
Yep.
So, yeah, we'll see. But for now, exhaust time. Woohoo!
Yay!
Roy is looking forward because he's the one going under the car.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the luxury of being the older.
Yeah. Bullying us younger children around. Yeah.
By so many days.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we will start working. Have fun.
Oh yeah. and we're rolling.
Woo!
Yay!
Hit the brakes.
Yeah.
So the exhaust is mounted, and time for testing.
Oh yes.
Woo!
Exciting.
I hope it's not as loud as it was before.
No.
It's easy to get into this car. I feel like home.
Yeah.
And I also feel kind of fat with poofy jacket. Wave, neutral. There's neutral. Keys. There's the keys. Clutch in. We have power. Are you excited?
Oh yes.
Almost a bit nervous. Wow. I don't want to rev it too much before the heat is expanding the gasket.
Yep.
But just let it go on. Yeah. Me and my English words are not working again.
Yeah. No, we need temperature for the exhaust for it to get hardened. So, yeah.
Well, the sound is way better.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
I feel like I want to rev it a little bit, but I feel like I want to rev it a little bit, but not too much.
Yeah.
Whoosh. Whoosh.
I can't really hear any exhaust sounds. That's not supposed to be there, so. '90s exhaust.
I think I hear a sound from the back. I think I hear a sound from the back, like a small, like boo.
Yeah, but I think that might just be the last, the silencer.
Okay. Well, should I try a little bit?
Yeah.
We have some temperature now.
Yeah.
That's an amazing sound.
Yeah.
And also we have black smoke when I do it.
Yep.
So it's getting enough fuel.
Yeah.
Nice. Well, I think we can say the exhaust is fixed.
Yeah. Yeah, I can agree with that.
Yeah. Nice. All right. Time to get it back on the floor. No handbrake.
No. Still no handbrake.
Still no.
I think the handbrake is in the pile over there somewhere. Oh, yeah. That's the handbrake.
Yeah. Somewhere in the pile.
Yeah. Quite near the top of the pile.
Yeah. Okay.
Awesome.
Nice. Action. Hello, 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 hello. Or still hello.
Yeah. Oh, welcome back.
Welcome back.
Mm.
Now the camera is back on the floor.
Oh, yeah.
The exhaust is mounted and the sound check was good.
Yep.
Which means
Ready to race.
woo! Okay, so As you can see, the car is still white because we have not received the livery yet, as we were speaking about earlier.
Yep.
Might get it, might not get it, depends on how the printing goes.
Yeah.
Other than that, I think we are finished.
Yeah.
With what we have for now.
Yeah.
We would like to lower the car, but since the economy is bad
Yeah.
and time is short,
Yeah.
the coilers have to come next year.
Yep.
From
Be a
this
nice
angle, the
upgrade.
paint looks really good.
Yeah. It's a nice upgrade for next season
Yeah,
or next race.
if the car lasts this race.
Yeah. 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 You can never
Because-
know with an old car.
This we have been driving this race now for 4 times, 3 times, 4 times.
No.
1 Mondeo race,
Yeah.
and at least 2, maybe 3 Astra.
Yeah, because there's 2 races that we missed.
Yeah, during COVID.
Yeah, and we started the first one in 2018.
Yeah. And we are in
So
25
18,
now.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So it's been 7 races. So we've done 5.
It feels less with the Astra because we did 1 without coilovers, 1
Mhm.
with coilovers, and 1 where it broke down.
Yeah, and 1 in between.
Maybe. Doesn't matter.
Yep.
My point is we have a good track record for finishing the races.
Yeah.
We have some minor difficulties in between,
Yeah.
but yeah,
Like losing a wheel or
losing the wheel, making the square brake disc,
Yeah.
lack of engine.
Yeah.
Uh,
Well, we didn't really finish that race though.
no. So, but one race out of 5, maybe 7, it's okay. It's a good track record.
Yeah.
We have competitors that had worse luck than us.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
We all remember the yellow 2CV that hit the wall. No, Beetle, not 2CV. Beetle.
The Beetle. Yeah.
Yeah. And
But they got to
they
drive the rest of the
patched
race,
the car back together.
Yeah.
Yeah. And also the white Volvo that caught fire in the pit lane.
Yeah. And there was one car who was that might have been the white Volvo that dropped all its engine oil on the first lap.
It could be because the oil in the engine bay caught on fire.
Yeah.
I believe it's the same car. That was the race you spun early on.
Yeah, that's where I had the most enormous tank slapper in turn 1 on because of that oil, because I didn't know it was there.
And this car might be tail happy.
Yep.
Because of, first of all, the ride height.
Yeah.
And the center of gravity is kind of high.
Yeah.
But
at the same time, all the weight of the car is in the front.
yeah, and that doesn't help too much.
Then it makes it more understeer and not so tail happy.
Yeah, we'll see. We have to test it a few laps to get to know it.
Yep.
Yeah. Might have to test it on the streets out here.
Ooh.
Ooh. We'll see. We'll see.
Oh, was that the sound of police?
Yeah, maybe. Not here. Okay, so I guess this will be the final episode for now until we have either a livery or the guys from Germany are coming.
Yeah.
Do we want to go outside and check the Cougar? There's one thing we haven't shown on video.
Okay.
The seat.
Oh yeah, because it's not been mounted. Well, it wasn't mounted properly when we did this last time.
When I edited the last video, I saw that the seat mounting video was not included.
Yeah.
It's dark outside.
A little bit of noise from me when I put on my jacket as well.
I'll just turn on the lights. Oh, not that light, but okay, it helps. Going around Roy's Astra, going around the famous Ayago, which is sold but not picked up yet.
Yeah.
And we have the Cougar. With other wheels, not other wheels, other tires. And behind door number 1, the seat.
Oh yeah.
And as you can see, not enough clearance.
No.
It's a tight spot, tight squeeze,
Yep.
but yeah, we'll manage.
Yeah.
I got myself in here, and it's okay. It's not good, but it's okay.
Yeah, that should be fine.
Yeah. So on this car, we changed the brakes. We changed the serpentine belt with the pulley.
Yeah.
We changed oil. We changed the coolant, brake fluid.
Yeah.
Mounted the hood latch pins and the tail pins, the tail hatch pins. I'm not sure what the correct word for this is, but
I've got no idea myself.
I don't care. People can see.
Yep.
These things.
Yep.
Latches or something like that.
Bonnet pins or
yeah. We mounted the strap for the door.
Yeah.
And removed airbag from the dashboard and removed the steering wheel, since the guys are bringing their own steering wheel.
Yep.
And the final thing I did was mount the switches for the electric windows with a cable tie, so it don't go away.
Yeah, so don't flop around.
Yeah. The final thing to do with this car, other than the flag on the roof, is taking off the names from the previous owner.
Yep.
And putting on the drivers.
Yep.
So,
and I think, yeah, well, I don't know if there will be some more sticker work on the car when the Germans arrive as well.
Yeah,
they have some sponsors for their event.
Yeah, they are not like us. They have no limits, so they go for sponsors.
Yep, they don't have the deep pockets that we have.
Yeah, the empty pockets we have.
Yeah, well, they're deep too.
Yeah. So, but yeah, this car is ready. I actually have quite good faith in this car.
Yeah.
As long as the car lasts.
Yeah, as long as the engine is still running.
Yeah.
But that was our main concern with the Mondeo as well, and the engine was the least problem with that Mondeo.
And the Igo.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
Well, a car that arrived at Mantorp with an engine that had a ticking noise.
Yep.
And the noise got worse, and the car just ran better.
Yep. And it's still running with the same engine.
Yeah. 6 hours at Mantorp, and I believe 8 rallies later.
Yep.
And the same engine still runs just as good.
Yeah.
So yeah, this car,
it's a solid little car.
Yeah, it's one of my favorite builds.
Yep. Yeah, I can imagine.
Might have to build another one someday.
Yeah.
All right. Do we say that's it for now, Roy?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. It's today. It's Thursday.
Thursday, 23rd of October.
So we are 14 days away.
Yep. Yeah.
Because in 2 weeks we have to load the trailer.
Yep. Exactly 2 weeks as well. Yep.
Which means I have to take the Astra off the trailer. And speaking of Astra, Bertone is gone.
Yeah.
It's gone to a better place.
Yeah.
People actually want the car as a parts car.
Yeah.
Good for them.
Yeah, of course.
All right. So until we might get some decals or livery, I guess this will be bye-bye for now.
Yeah. See you later.
And thanks for watching.